Hello world! I caught the fly. Welcome back, the mosquito, sorry. Welcome back to the daily vlog. I'm sorry, the last couple of days I have been slacking on the blog, but I've been sitting at my computer in uni for like 10 hours a day. And that makes me think that it's a good thing that I chose to do the daily vlog for a year, in the year where I don't have a full-time job. Because working full-time, sorry, I'm hungry as fuck, okay? Working full-time and filming yourself, if the two things are not related, it's pretty hard. It's pretty taxing. But yeah, so that's the reason why the last couple of vlogs were very short. I actually think I'm gonna add something to Tuesdays, like in retrospect, and I'm probably gonna make the black and white filter on the. I'm gonna make the video black and white, but yeah, I haven't decided yet. You'll know. You will have known by now. All right, I'm going to the local GameStop to buy, because today the new Pokemon game came out, and I'm a huge Pokemon fan, okay? And I will not take shit about it, but going to the GameStop and like asking if they have the game or if they sold out in person, it is extremely awkward. I hate doing that, but it's the only way to get the game physically, right? So yeah. Anyway, let's. All right, the game was acquired. And now, let bro enjoy a nice pizza. Yes. And it's been a long week so far, and it's not over yet. Hello, it's me from the future again. I tricked you with that standing still pose. You thought your video was buffering or something. Ha! Look at you, looking like a fool. Yeah, I'm popping in at some point during this vlog. Also, I edited this one. I properly cut and interleaved clips in this one. At some point, I said I was gonna add like myself talking with a black and white filter, whatever. I am not gonna do that, because when I said that, it was October the 16th. Right now, I'm editing this, and it's October the 24th. Things have changed. And in the next week, I am gonna say a lot of times that I'm finally gonna catch up. I'm finally gonna record. I did not do that. I did not. Every time you hear me say that, up to yesterday, every time, it was a lie. It was a lie. But yeah, I'm gonna call the 14th open parenthesis. I'm gonna call the 23rd close parenthesis, and we'll just make this like a nice October parenthesis, okay? The good thing is that I'm finally catching up again.